What's up, guys? My name is Kyle. We have a scrape, save, or scrap. Yep, a save or scrap, guys. A save or scrap. This. The lawnmower could be a save or scrap because we need the back piece. And this, we could do the lawnmower video. I'm gonna skip until we actually found the back piece. How much post gonna take? 3, 4, 5. There's gas in it. And also my dad's here, of course. Seco, you know him. Yeah, yes, we saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. Not right. Yeah, I've been watching.
If we start 1, oh! There's a ton of water in there. There was smoke on. Look. Look at this. Wait, let me change the angle. I know what's going on, but still it's not working. It's still not working. Look. Oh, so where is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, start up! Whoa! Is it a 2-stroke? 4-stroke? 6-stroke? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh! Because you're gonna die doing this. Do I start up? Must start up. Why is that stirring up? There's a ton of water in there.
The gas is not good.
We're gonna pour new gas. Oh!
Never do like this before.
It's working! Let's go! Let's go! We're going for the Lord! We found the Lord! ran out of gas.
No.
Maybe.
Acting up like that. I don't know what.
It's a scrap. It was a save. Now it's this. Now this. And now it's not working. And now it's working!